All right, let's dive into something that is completely changing the game for creators. We're going to talk about moving beyond just being a digital creator to becoming a digital sovereign. Think of it this way. What's the difference between renting a cool apartment and owning the entire building? That's what we're talking about today. This is the Web4 blueprint, and it's all about you taking back control. Let's get into it.
So I want you to ask yourself a really important question. Are you building on rented land? I mean, really think about it. Your followers, your content, your entire online brand, is it actually yours? Or have you spent all this time building an incredible empire on land that's owned by someone else? A landlord who can change the rules or even evict you whenever they feel like.
Oh, we've all been there, right? You pour your heart and soul into creating something amazing, you hit that post button, and crickets. You're basically playing algorithm roulette. You're at the complete mercy of this mysterious black box that decides who gets to see your work and who doesn't. It's like playing a slot machine, except you never really know the odds. And here's where it gets even more terrifying. The platform that you've poured years into building can be pulled right out from under you in a split second. A sudden ban, no explanation. Or maybe a shadow ban where your content is just hidden from your own followers and you don't even know why. Just like that, years of your hard work could literally vanish overnight.
And okay, let's say you do succeed. You're crushing it. Well, guess what? The platforms are waiting to take a massive slice of your earnings. This platform tax means a huge chunk of the value that you create is skimmed right off the top before it ever even gets to you. And we're going to look at the actual numbers in a second, and trust me, they're pretty shocking.
So, what's the answer? It's not about finding the next hot app to jump to. No way. It's about a fundamental shift in how we think about this. It's the shift from renting your audience's attention to owning the very ground they stand on. It's about you becoming the architect of your own digital world, where you make the rules.
Let's just break this down side by side, because the difference is absolutely night and day. On a mainstream platform, the one you're just renting, they own your data. They control who you can reach. They take a huge cut of your money. And yeah, they can kick you out anytime. But when you own your community, all of that power flips. You own the database. You have zero interference. The money goes directly to you. And that community, it's yours, always.
So this whole new model, it's really built on three core pillars of power. First, data sovereignty. Your member database is your most valuable asset, and it belongs to you, period. Second, zero algorithm interference. No more guessing games. You're in the driver's seat. And third, direct monetization. You get to cut out those greedy middlemen and keep the money you actually earn.
Now for the really fun part. Let's talk about building your own creator economy. See, when you own the platform, you're not just a creator anymore. You're basically the CEO of your own digital business. Let's look at how the numbers really stack up.
Okay, first up, the infamous App Store tax. If you're making money through an app on a phone, Apple and Google are taking a massive 30% cut of your revenue. 30% before you see a single penny. Think about that. That is a huge slice of your income going straight into the pockets of a tech giant.
Now, let's flip that around. In your own Web4 world, when you sell ad space directly to sponsors who want to reach your audience, you keep 100% of that revenue. That's what happens when you cut out the middleman. All of it.
And you can also build an incredible recurring revenue stream with subscriptions. Just look at this example. You can have different levels of membership. A free tier for basic access, a pro tier for maybe $5 a month with exclusive groups, and then a premium tier with direct messaging, private content, the whole shebang. This creates a predictable, scalable business model.
And the opportunities just keep coming. You can create your own thriving little microeconomy right inside your community. Imagine having a marketplace where your members can sell things to each other and you take a small cut. Or a built-in wallet system where people can tip you directly for your work. I mean, the possibilities are just endless.
Okay, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds fantastic, but how do I actually get my community, the people I've spent years building a relationship with, to move somewhere new? That is the million-dollar question, right? And it takes a really smart strategy. Let's walk through it.
First, let's talk about what not to do. The single biggest mistake is just posting, "Hey everyone, I'm moving, follow me over here." That is a recipe for failure. People are busy. They're not just going to sign up for another app unless you give them a really, really good reason.
This is the critical mindset shift. You are not asking them to join another social network.
You're inviting them to join a valuable resource, something that solves a problem for them or gives them something they absolutely cannot get anywhere else. In other words, don't ask them to join a social network, ask them to join a resource.
And what you're trying to create is something we call a value delta. It's that tangible, obvious difference in value between the old place and your new home. Your job is to make that gap so huge, so compelling, that moving over becomes an absolute no-brainer for them.
So here it is, the 4-step blueprint to make it all happen. Step 1. You create a gated hook, some amazing piece of content they can only get on the new platform. Step 2. You start posting all your best A+ content there exclusively. Step 3. You make it fun, gamify the whole experience with points, badges, rewards. And finally, Step 4. You turn your biggest fans into your own marketing team with a built-in affiliate system.
So when you combine that true ownership with a thriving economy and a smart plan to bring your people with you, well, you're not just building a community anymore. You're building a digital nation, a sovereign space on the web that is 100% yours.
And that digital nation needs to feel like home. It needs to be a perfect reflection of you and your brand. With the right tools, you can customize everything: the logos, the colors, the layout, creating a space that feels like a natural extension of everything you've already built.
So the power is finally shifting. It's moving away from the giant platforms and back to where it belongs, with you, the creator. You now have the blueprint to go from being a renter to being a sovereign, to build a real economy and to create a true home for your community online. The only question left is, what will you build?